Good day, English teachers and students. Today, I will share to you a useful speaking based yet objective assessment related to the course structures of English. This is an oral assessment idea in English syntax I adopted from my English teacher when I was in high school. This does not only measure the analytical skills of the students in the components of English sentence structure, but also their speaking skills. This is how it's done. First, we will prepare a set of sentences varying from simple to complex types of sentences. Then, let the students identify the grammatical category and function of each word in the sentence. For the example shown in the screen, I will provide a sample analysis. First, the underlined that is a demonstrative that functions as a determiner of the noun man. Handsome is an adjective that modifies the noun man. Man is a noun that functions as the main subject of the sentence. Is a be verb that functions as the linking verb in the sentence. Our is a possessive adjective that functions as a determiner of the noun teacher. And lastly, teacher is a noun that functions as a complement. So that's it. That was just a basic analysis, but it could really measure the students' understanding on sentence structure. Your students can even add more observations like is a be verb that functions as the linking verb, and the main predicate of the complete predicate is our teacher. Most importantly, you can modify your instruction that fits to the level of your students. I hope that you learned something. God bless us all.